Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tourist Africa family. I'm actually at this location. Our Jamaican brother is inside looking at this apartment. It's actually in Westlands family, Marina Bay Development. And today, guys, I want to show you what it's like. The showroom is ready. We want to see what the showroom is like. So, family, I'm gonna go inside and show this to you. Marina Bay Development family. It's like crazy. There's another one right there too, right in the middle of Westland family. So now if you're looking, there's another one right there, and there's one right here. Wow, family. Wow, guys. So if you're looking to actually invest in real estate in Kenya, it's booming. Now is the right time to get on board, family. So, you know what I mean? It seems like it's a Chinese development, and you know what I mean? I can maybe tell you that it's gonna be upscale. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, family. So she's an
agent.
Okay.
I think.
All right. Andre says down. He's coming down in a minute. Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah. So the showroom is ready, right?
Yeah.
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom.
The available units that we have right now is a 2 and 3.
Oh, 2 and 3.
Yeah, here it's fully sold, but we have a lot
Okay.
So
Oh, yeah.
it's fully sold, you said?
Yeah, this fully sold.
You tell me all these apartments is already taken.
Yeah, already taken, but we still have another.
Cash? Or
Okay.
We have
credit?
another next here.
Yeah?
It's offline prices.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Doing excavation, so that when
Our
it's
Jamaican
shown
brother is
the
right there.
space, 'cause it's just the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
The different thing is just the space. For the phase 2 is bigger. And this
Okay.
Nice, that's nice.
Okay,
Where's
nice.
this to?
it's just like 100 meters from here.
Oh, maybe that's where they're coming from.
And it's ongoing.
How much is for apartments here?
From the 2 bedrooms start from 13,000,055 to 615. Yeah, that's a budget from the 2 bedroom 1355 to 1615. As well
Okay.
as for the 3 bedroom that start from.
Yo, welcome. Oh, I'm with him.
Oh.
And he's with she. So
Yeah. So we are together.
we're together.
All right.
Is 51 square feet. But it's still a room than that.
Yeah.
And next to the new one will be like 70. So
Yeah.
you can imagine what we're going to do
More space.
with more space.
We have more space. The Chinese are like space, but we have a place with space. It's good. And bigger kitchen.
And a
bigger
Chinese
living room.
development.
Yeah, man. Because she show me another one. Come on, just show me. I mean,
Yeah.
she don't show a bad one yet.
Yeah.
It's a matter of
Everything good so far.
resonate one more.
What you want? Where you doing?
One more.
What's payment plan?
20% up.
And then you
And
pay the one year.
the new one, the new one chef put me on to. Which one recommend is 2026.
2026.
Yeah.
Million.
No.
Is that finished?
The finish in the year 2026. So you can do like a 20% down.
Yeah.
Lock it in.
Like a thing.
And
Well, first thing before you do, you need to get that.
Your fault. So I blame the Rasta girl for now. The Rasta boy, I blame it.
So, Cindy, as you try Jamaican food,
No, I have.
we're gonna take it to Jamrock now and make you try some Jamaican
You know
food
what you so far.
We have good music.
with music. All right.
And
That's 5 bars.
I think about Jamaican man.
Very nice, actually.
Oh.
All the people that I've interacted with from Jamaica, they're very nice.
We're
camera.
You feel like family.
Yeah.
I like that.
I know you guys are the only guys who wear the dreads, the Kikuyu, right? Kikuyu, right?
And Meru.
Meru, yeah, Meru, same thing. Yeah. You guys wear the dreads, just like we. Yeah.
So we'll keep it real 100.
Yeah, Michael, what's up?
I will take the blame from you.
I'm fine.
Put the blame on you.
I have another Jamaican brother here. I want to come see you tomorrow morning at GTC. And what time can you be there? Early as possible. And let me confirm the time and let you know, alright? 9. Alright, 9. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright.
So
To
you've
move around, you need like 2 weeks less.
2 weeks. You've already settled down in Nairobi.
Me? No, not really. I'm looking for something now. We'll be there like a few months now.
Few months.
Well, I'm here since 2021, going in and out.
Yeah, he's settled.
You've moved.
Yeah.
Shop lock.
Shop lock, family, everything. He's been there. For us, we're new now, you know?
Yeah.
Trying to get ourselves
Should join.
in the program. I
Kenyans.
see. Now I see why you want to join you. I see why you want to hook up with you. So, okay, so I go on.
Yeah.
Capture the African woman.
Yeah.
So what's the next move?
Alright, make we go look at the showroom and then we go Jamrock, make sure eat some Jamaican food and you're good.
Curry goat.
Curry goat. Goat curry.
Goat curry.
Yeah. You like goat? Mosey?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Alright, family.
So this is Marina Bay.
Mm-hmm.
They have 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms in this project, but they do have a new phase coming up. This is sold out.
Wow.
They do have another project coming up 2 blocks away from this one. They will have a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartments. You can just go see the showroom now.
Alright. Alright, family. So if you Alright, family. Let's go.
So we leave the boxes up. Who the boxes?
Yeah,
Look around.
Look around. Talk to these Chinese people.
4 ton of boxes now. 4 ton.
Alright, family, let's go and let me show you the showroom. There. Kenya is the frontier for real estate now. So if you not invest, you not make sense. If you not talk money, then you not make sense. Because our Jamaican brother say come to spend 4 days and you must say you must turn it in 2 weeks because there's so much to see and stuff. And so much to do.
After come back.
After come back. Well,
Peer box.
Peer boxes.
yeah, family, Marina Development. Let's go and see the showroom. Showroom and a shower room. I feel me and feel your room.
See that?
Okay.
And a peer room.
Yeah.
So we can start with the 2 bedroom.
Okay.
2 bedroom, 89 square meters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it comes with access control systems,
Okay.
and this is your living room space. So this is for the new project, 89 square meter, but in the phase 2, they'll have 130 square meters, 135 and 155, so much bigger than this.
Wow.
The floor plan will be almost similar, with the kitchen here, the laundry area to that corner, a bigger laundry area opening up to a servant quarters in the new project.
Oh, wow.
And then here there'll be a balcony that runs from this corner to the other corner, as opposed to this, this specific unit doesn't have the balcony, but in the new project there'll be a balcony.
Perfect.
Yeah. Units don't come furnished.
Okay.
They come vacant.
Mm-hmm.
White walls, the gypsum finish, the lighting, the chandeliers are standard, but everything else doesn't come. The feature walls, the wallpapers, nothing. Thank you, Chapo.
All right. All right, family. So this is the bathroom.
Guest bathroom,
Guest bathroom.
and then the guest bedroom.
Guest bedroom.
Man, very nice. I wonder if they're all sold out.
Yeah, you can buy the new project.
Yeah, the new project sounds good.
This is the master.
The master bedroom.
Master family.
Sorry? The one bedroom? Much bigger. This is 89, and in the new project, the smallest will be 130 square meters. So
130?
130
Well,
square meters.
what's the price difference?
So the ready one, this one, is 14 million. This one, this
2 bedroom.
for 2 bedroom, but it's sold out.
I know.
Yeah,
The
but
new one?
for the new project, the prices are starting from 14 million to 16 million, but much bigger. See, this is 89 square
It's
meters.
much bigger, but you're gonna pay more price,
No,
bigger price.
89 square meters for 14 million, and then you have 130 square meters for 14 million,
Oh, that's
which is
better.
cheaper.
That's better. 1,000 square meters.
Yeah.
1,000 square meters at 14 million is cheaper.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, family. Let me check out the kitchen for you guys and show you guys. You know what I mean. So, guys, this is the kitchen.
Place where you want your wife, your Africa life today.
Yeah, right in the kitchen, always cooking. No fast food thing, a washing machine there. So, Sidi, how much this is going for now?
So this one is going from 14 million all the way to 16 million.
Okay, okay, for the difference layout. Okay, and the other one is on the
In
other
the
side.
other project here, they sold out
Sold
for
out,
14
yeah,
million.
14. Okay. All right, family. So you hear that? You know what I mean? House them going fast. So if you're coming into Kenya, you know, link up with Jam Tours. You can connect with
Sorry?
with
Yes,
Sidia.
it comes fully fitted. The kitchen comes fully fitted with an oven, 4-burner cooker, and a hood extractor.
To get that, the kitchen come fully fitted. An oven, extractor, 4-burner cooker, which is a grill.
Yeah.
You guys can bake, cook. Pay your money, you get this. Just like this. Simple.
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? Don't sleep on Nairobi, Westland right now. If you're looking to invest, link up with Jam Tours, connect here with Sidia, show you this. Right now, you see people over there are looking at house. You see them?
This is 3-bedroom.
Them house go fast.
Oh, so this was the only one.
It's the only-
This phase, they only had 1 and 2 beds.
Wow.
In the new phase, then they'll have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. So this is the 2-bedroom. You can go to the
Let's put the one
1
bedroom
bedroom.
Okay, let's go to the 1 bedroom. All right, family. So you hear that? You know what I mean? These things is going very fast. Someone inside.
Yeah, so this is the 1 bedroom, but there's more here, so
Yeah. Standard 1 bedroom.
One bedroom.
Okay, okay. So feel free. All right.
I told you you'll be back.
yeah, so
Okay.
this is a 1 bedroom, 51 square meters in this project. But in the new project, the size will be 67 square meters and 70 square meters, so much bigger.
Bigger. Oh, wow.
So the major the differences will be in the kitchen. So the kitchen in the new project will be L-shaped as opposed to this one. And it will come fully fitted. There will also be a space for the fridge. You see here, the fridge is just
Yeah, by itself, yeah.
yeah, so
yeah.
there'll be a space set aside for that. Yeah. And then the lawn, the living area will be slightly bigger. And then we have the flex room.
Ah,
So the
okay.
flex room is
Oh, this-
for someone who, especially for investors, this would be a nice concept, especially for someone who's looking to, you know, have an Airbnb here, and then their client could need maybe an office, a study room to just do their work. So when they're watching the TV, they can sit here. When they're working, they can do it here. So that's a plus on this unit. And then the balcony is slightly small, but in the new project, the balcony will be much
Bigger. Okay, wow. I like this. This is a nice concept. You know, most people come in, they need to, everybody knows it's like a digital nomads.
Yes.
And people looking to come to Africa, most people actually work from home remotely and have them business and stuff. So this is like a great thing, family. So I love this. It's office space.
Do
It's
you want
nice.
to meet at the restaurant?
Then this is the bedroom.
Okay.
So for this,
It's pretty small though, but it's
it's
the one-
small,
yeah.
but in the new project will be much bigger. Here
Yeah.
they had it fit a queen size bed,
Mhm.
but in the new project will fit a king size. So the bed
Oh,
will
wow.
be much bigger,
Mhm.
and then the closet space also will be bigger,
Mhm.
and then they'll create an access door here to the washroom, so
Ah.
someone from the bedroom can access the washroom.
Oh,
And
wow.
also a guest can access easily. So
Ah.
2 access doors for the
Oh
washroom
wow, that's very smart.
in the new project.
Yeah. For the 1 bedroom.
For the 1 bedroom, yes.
Okay, wow. Wow.
Yeah, and then you have your washroom over here.
Washroom,
and
yeah.
Washroom and
Yeah. The washroom is bossy, family. As you can see, this is the washroom, family. Put your washing machine there, and you have everything there, family. All right. So in the new project, this is going for how much?
So in the new project, they're currently now selling from 8 million
Mm-hmm.
to around 9 point something.
Okay.
And the units are almost sold out actually.
Oh,
for the
wow.
1 bedrooms. We can go check the availability sheet. You can see how people are actively investing in the market at the moment.
Yeah. All right, family. You hear that? You know, the new project, 1 bedroom almost finished. That go fast, so you know what to do, family. You know what I mean?
The 3 bedroom, 19 today.
3 bed, 22 million. No, it's 20.
22 million. 3 bedroom, 22 million. All right, family, you hear it? So you know what to do. We are out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.
Because I wanted to talk about the current availability sheet
Okay.
for Marina Bay Phase 2.
Okay,
This
okay,
phase
okay.
is sold out, but you can see how much people bought. Black means the sale agreement is signed and everything's gone. Red means a deposit is placed, and for green it means a small reservation or it's on offer letter.
Okay, okay, okay.
So only few units left.
Okay, so this one is available.
Yeah, that's
Black.
one's available.
This is for the next place.
Next block, okay, next phase. Marina Bay 2. This is Marina Bay 1 family,
It's a 2.
and this is 2 family. So, you know what I mean? You still have a chance to actually win big in Nairobi in the real estate industry, family. So it's just you to act now. Link up with Jam Tours and we get you connected to the super agent in Nairobi. All right, family. So like, share,
Green book.
comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. I'm out.